the best way to thin your maple is to tear everything down and thin it and lay things down. But the world's not perfect. A lot of times we can loosen our main lines and jack them up. And we've done timber stand improvement work with a tubing tool, a chainsaw, and a pair of cutters, and you've cut tubing out of this room. Here, you know, you just roll it up, you do your thinning, and you put it back. And it's harder, it's easy to do that if you're doing the work yourself. If you're having Log or Jim do it, it's a little harder. You'd have to work together. I guess it's not impossible, but we do that a lot, and I tell people that a lot. And now one thing that goes with what you're saying is when your tubing is there, if you know the tubing line's right here, and that's where you're going to walk a lot, you can lay that slash down here and leave it more. You don't have to cut it up so fine.